Hello everybody, on this video I'm going to show you guys how you can reset from factory Windows 11 in your PC. Maybe you have some problems, maybe you change some settings into the registry editor or anything like this that your PC is not working correctly and you want to reset from the factory, but you don't want to do a complete installation, you don't want to have to download Windows, all of this process, or even if you don't want to lose all of your files. Now I'm going to show you how you can make it and keep everything in place. Now, before we start, I always recommend, just in case, to back up the files. You can put them in a USB stick, external drive, anywhere that you can. It's a personal recommendation. Now, to do this is really simple. You want to right-click into the Start button. From here, go into the Settings menu. Once the Settings menu is open, you want to make sure that on the left side you are selected into System. Scroll down until you see the Recovery tab. Click on it. And here you have the option of Reset this PC. Now, when you click on it, you're going to have two options. Keep My Files. This is going to remove all the apps and settings, but it's going to keep all your personal files. What this means is that all the photos or documents, music that you have stored in your device, normally it's going to keep them. But every app, game, and anything else that you have downloaded, it's going to be deleted, and you will have to download it again. The second option is to remove everything. That is going to remove all the personal files that you have, all the applications, all the settings, and everything else from the PC. And this is going to act as a new, fresh installation of Windows. Now, you want to click into any of that options. And after the things get ready, you are going to see these two options. How you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose two options. Cloud Download, this is going to download automatically Windows and reinstall it, or reinstall Windows from this device. This is the same which one you choose, only that the cloud download is going to use data. I don't know if this is an issue there where you live, but this is what you want to do. You want to click into any of them, and then this is going to start all the process of reinstalling Windows. That is pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have enjoyed the content. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.